Hold on tight, get ready for insane firewood action, blazing fast processing, and jaw-dropping chainsaw chaos. Pure power, ultimate precision, and non-stop thrill. Wow, this is insane. The Posh Smart Cut 700 Comfort is a total game changer. That giant 28-inch blade rips through logs up to 8 inches thick and nearly 4 feet long like butter. This beast pumps out up to 8 cubic meters of firewood per shift, crazy efficiency. Built like a tank at 2,100 pounds, and for just $2,000, it's one badass deal. What do you think, worth it or what? Oh man. This is the Cord King M2030, a total firewood beast that cuts and splits a log in just 5 seconds, cranking out up to 3 full cords per hour with insane speed and precision. It chews through logs up to 20 inches in diameter and 30 feet long, powered by a rugged harvester bar and chain with a massive 34-ton splitting force. Weighing in at 6,800 pounds and built like a tank, it measures 7 feet wide, 23 feet long, and 12 feet tall, pure productivity with zero compromise. I'm absolutely blown away by the Mighty Master L. Hook it up to your tractor and watch it tear through logs like they're nothing. With an adjustable blade length from 8 to 24 inches, it can split logs up to 8 inches thick and send them flying up a 13-foot adjustable conveyor. Compact yet insanely powerful, loaded with safety features, this machine is a dream come true for farmers, homesteaders, and anyone chasing real self-sufficiency. Guys, check this out. The Cambio 45 is an absolute beast of a debarker. It crushes logs up to 18 inches wide and 20 feet long, powered by a 30-horse motor with blazing 50 feet per minute feed speed. With 4 to 6 spinning blades and fully automatic controls, this 4-ton monster delivers clean, pro-level results every single time. Holy smokes, check out the PrimeTech PT600, a 600 horsepower mulching beast on tracks. We're talking 4,500 pounds of pure muscle, smart hydraulics, and a heavy-duty cooling system built to crush anything in its path. Fast, efficient, unstoppable, this machine doesn't just work, it dominates. Guys, just look at this dude. Absolute legend in action, smooth as butter. You can tell he's done this 1,000 times. Insane skill, crazy confidence, like he was born for it. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear what you think. Bro, this homemade wood splitter is straight up crazy. It looks like someone threw together spare parts in their backyard, and somehow it actually works. Respect for the guts and creativity, but man, this thing screams danger. One slip and you're done. Genius or madness? Honestly, I think it's both, and I can't stop watching. Guys, this machine is an absolute monster. The owner's been running it for 7 years straight, chewing through over 2,300 feet of hardwood like cherry and oak. Think about that. Years of abuse, pushed to the max, and it's still roaring like day one. Sure, it jams now and then, but that's nothing. Line up the log right, and boom, it slices through clean. If you want raw power, durability, and reliability in one beast, this is the machine you've been looking for. Wow, the Ventrac KC180 is a stump-crushing monster. Boom, it rips stumps fast, even on 30-degree slopes where others fail. Insane. Compact, nimble, lawn-friendly, and its carbide teeth dig 6 inches deep. Clean up, easy with the power broom. Pure power, total control. This is the ultimate stump grinder. Wow, the PFT 450 conveyor is a total game changer for firewood pros. At 15 feet long, it kills the endless bending and heavy lifting. Boom! With an incline from 2 degrees to 45 degrees, you dial it in exactly how you want. Power it up with a rock-solid electric motor, or go beast mode with a hydraulic hookup. This thing cranks up your efficiency, saves your back, and makes firewood processing smooth and unstoppable. Welcome back, guys. Today we're checking out a wood splitter that every family will love. It comes loaded with a crane and winch to lift those big logs with ease. And the hydraulic press? Absolute savage. Tearing apart the toughest hardwood like nothing. This is raw power made simple, right in your backyard. That's the legendary steel Contra, strapped with a monster 47-inch blade. Absolute insanity. This setup is pure raw power and precision, slicing through even the toughest wood like butter. The way it tears through that bundle? Crazy satisfying. I could watch this beast all day long. Oh man, this is exactly why us forest workers need a chainsaw license. The power, the danger, the adrenaline. This isn't just cutting wood, it's raw chaos under control. One wrong move and it's game over, but when handled right, it's pure mastery in action. Wow, this hydraulic splitter is pure muscle meets machine, raw hydraulic power fused with DIY genius. And let's be real, nothing feels better than firing up your own homemade firewood beast and watching it crush logs like nothing. Whoa, forget the bulldozer. This brush saw just demolished a massive oak stump in under 30 minutes. Crazy precision, zero mess, and your yard stays flawless. Think stump removal is slow and backbreaking? Nope, this beast makes it stupid easy. Oh my god, with the HP 970 HR42, forget the chainsaw and hours of sweat. This hydraulic beast hooks up to your skid steer and slices trees at any height, even right at ground level. Packing a massive 42-inch blade with carbide teeth and raw hydraulic power, it is built for big land clearing jobs. Fast, brutal, efficient, this machine saves you serious time and energy. Top pick. The absolute dumbest way to rip out a tree stump. Wild, risky, and straight up crazy. You gotta see this madness in action. Unbelievable. I was doubtful at first, but this log splitter is the real deal. Simple design, insane efficiency. Splitting wood went from a back-breaking chore to straight-up fun. And for this price, nothing else comes close. Check this out, an automatic firewood saw that crushes logs up to 40 inches long and slices them into clean 20 or 13-inch cuts. Boom. With a massive 28-inch carbide blade and a hydraulic feed, it rips through 3 cords of wood every hour. Fast, precise, and insanely powerful, this beast makes firewood prep effortless. Wow, imagine a machine built to crush the true giants of the forest. That's the rotten H2D. With a jaw-dropping 305 horsepower engine and advanced hydraulics, it unleashes insane power with crazy efficiency. And get this, the massive RK310 crane, working with the SP761LF harvester head lifts and processes monster trees like they're nothing. Built for brutal conditions, this beast is mind-blowing engineering brilliance in full action. Stump removal is a nightmare, right? Not with this beast. Meet the Carlton 715 TRX, built to crush the toughest stumps with insane power and precision. Problem spotted, solution locked in. Watch this monster go to work. Whoa, now that's insane. Hauling that kind of weight uphill is no joke. Props to the driver for total skill, and that truck is in absolute beast mode. that's a wrap. Mind blown yet? Leave a comment, hit like, and share the thrill. Subscribe so you don't miss the next wood crushing monster. Until then, keep it wild. Keep it wild.